Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do one interesting speed test comparison between the Dual Drive Luxe. Now we have the gold also along with the previous one silver, and in the market guys, these are the best pen drives available and you cannot go wrong with either of this. If you want to purchase this particular pen drive, please check out a link in the description to get it from Amazon, and this is available for about 1299, and with offers and all you might get it or lower price also. And let me just show you how it looks. Basically this is my favorite pen drive guys, and you cannot go wrong with this Dual Drive Luxe. I've been using this since 2020, so since its launch, and it's been a great pen drive. I never had issues with it. The speed test is great, the design is the best I would say in the market, and as you can see it has this nice clicky mechanism. And let me know in the comments below guys, which pen drive do you all prefer? Do you all prefer the silver or the gold? In my case I feel the gold is my new favorite because it just looks so good, and I just can't get my eyes off this particular gold color. And I think SanDisk have launched this during the correct time, because I was just thinking of getting the gold variant of it, and you can just use this as a fidget spinner. As you can see over here, it really feels nice, and the clicky mechanism just makes it so much awesome. And I just can't stop staring at this gold color, because I was just thinking of getting the gold MacBook Pro, and this would be the best color to go with that particular MacBook Pro. And as you can see over here guys, this is the best pen drive available in the market. I also like the silver one. Let me do a speed test comparison and show you which one is the best, and so that you all don't make a wrong decision while purchasing it. Also check out the link in the description. Basically I'll be posting a lot of videos on this particular pen drive. So in my case guys, Dual Drive Luxe is one of the best pen drive which you can get in the market, and SanDisk claim around 400 Mbps read speed. Let me just test whether the 400 Mbps read speed is valid till date or not. So previously, as you can see over here, both the pen drives have done the initial run for the read speed, and the gold one is 371 and the silver one is 386. As you can see, not much of a difference guys. Again, the write speed will make a difference, and I don't think so the 300 mark is anything low guys, because for SSD, if you buy in the market, the SSDs I would say the read speed is around that much, around 250 to 350, and this is as good as the read speed or SSDs guys. So you cannot go wrong with either of these, so blindly just buy any of those, so based on your preference. So if you have the silver MacBook guys, go with the silver Dual Drive Luxe. If you have the gold, and if you have love for gold, then please go for the gold, because I think in my particular case guys, gold is the best looking pen drives, and hands down I would say this is the pen drive to get this time. And if you like this kind of videos guys, make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we go live with our latest videos. And also follow us on social media for the latest trends. Okay, and you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we are kind of active over there. And also do check out our WhatsApp. I'll be putting the link somewhere, and let me know in the comments below which pen drives you all are thinking of getting, of thinking of buying basically. Okay, now let me come down to some important questions or queries or FAQs that you guys will be having. So in my testing guys, the both of these pen drives are getting extremely hot. So when I say hot, it is 45 to 48 degrees guys, and personally I don't think so it is that level where your skin can have a burn. And this is marginal guys. As soon as you stop this particular test, or if you stop writing to these particular pen drives, it just jumps back to the normal. Now these are made from aluminum and they act as a heat sink. I mean to say the body of this pen drive are acting as a heat sink, so basically it will dissipate a lot of heat and in the process of reading and writing it is going to get hot, but as soon as you remove this particular pen drive it is just going to get cold much more faster than the plastic one. And especially guys, talking from my experience for the past 4 years, almost 4 years, I don't think so I'm having any issues with the dual drive Luxe. The speed have not dropped and the speed is really nice. Performance is the main reason for getting this particular pen drive, and second is the looks. And as you can see, the usability, you can use with MacBook, your Android phones, your iPhone 15, and all the devices which are supporting Type C. In fact, I've been using this with my television for watching some videos and like a family video, and I'd been using this with I have many previous MP3s, so I've been using this in my car also. With the dual drive Luxe, I never had any issues of especially connectivity. And one thing what I would like to share guys, my personal experience. So as soon as you get this particular pen drive, you just format it with the exFAT partition. Let me just repeat that again. You all need to format this particular pen drive with the exFAT partition to get the maximum speed. Now the speed what you all are seeing is the default one, and I don't think so you are going to face any other issues with this. And you get some SanDisk software also which help you to lock this particular pen drive. I'll be making a dedicated video maybe in the upcoming videos and all. And let me know in the comments below, should I make another unboxing of this particular pen drive in Hindi, because most of the audience I believe who is watching in India are preferring much Hindi content compared to the English one. And again, drop a comment guys, so if I get too many queries to make this video in Hindi, I will also do it in Hindi. And the best part about owning the dual drive Luxe is its body guys. It is very sleek, very slim. It fits in the upper pocket of your jeans, the iPod pocket I call that. And I think this is the best looking pen drive. I get so many compliments because I'm one of the first people to get the dual drive Luxe Gold guys. I'm pretty sure that I haven't seen the gold pen drive around, and as soon as I saw the gold pen drive, I just ordered it. And I'm recording this maybe the start of January of 2024, and this is the best pen drive till date so far. And as you can see the read and write speed, let me just go back again. The read speed of the gold pen drive is 371 and the write speed is 80 mbps. It is very good compared to the previous pen drives which I had. And if you see the silver one, which is very surprising to me, it is 386.74 as the read speed, and the write speed is 132 mbps. And as you can see guys, the silver pen drive is performing much more better compared to the gold one. Now I am just assuming that both are made in Taiwan guys, and the gold pen drive which I'm having is a fresh new pen drive. So I guess after using this for a couple of days, it will again improve the speed. I will keep you posted, so make sure that you subscribe to this particular channel so that I post some important updates regarding the dual drive Luxe Gold. And by far guys, this is the best pen drives available in the market. Frankly speaking, I feel you all should just choose the SanDisk Dual Drive Luxe. And this is not a sponsored video guys. SanDisk is not paying me for getting this particular video up or something, and this is not a paid promotion for SanDisk. I genuinely like the Dual Drive Luxe. That is one of the reason I'm doing this particular video. So if you like this kind of videos, again subscribe to this channel and hit the like button and share it with your friends and family who are thinking of purchasing this particular pen drive. And in honest opinion, you cannot go wrong with either of this. And especially if you see the read write speed guys, it is pretty decent and one of the best speeds which I ever got in any pen drive. I know I have used previously pen drives from other companies also, and the thing is I've just given it to my family members and all because I don't kind of like it, and most of their body and secondly is the design. So SanDisk Dual Drive Luxe is one pen drive which I have stuck for like more than 4 years, and this is just because of this build quality, and it is having a Type-C connector which is very useful, especially when you have a MacBook Pro and it is just having Type-C connectors guys. And as you can see over here, this is the best looking pen drives hands down. ever. And again, I'm just telling you all, get the gold guys, this is the gold time. And I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also make sure that you watch this other playlist also when it comes to flash drives. And let me know in the comments below what you think. Again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.